How to check the community violation of a Facebook page. In this video, I will show you how can you easily see the violation applied to your Facebook page. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly click on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on Help and Support. After that, you need to choose the option of Support Inbox. When you click on it, as you are logged into your Facebook page, you will see two options: reports about other and your violation. After that, you need to click on the option of your violation and you will see the list of community violation that Facebook has applied to your page. And as you can see, it has also highlighted the post where the violations has been applied. So that's all. That is how easily you can check the community violation of a Facebook page. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.